Hello, everyone, I am Huma. This is a DIY drone that we made with foam. Can fly to sky and fly up from water. Some people said, you must be very rich. So that can accompany children to DIY drones right at home. However, creation is unlimited. A handy foam board can also become DIY drone parts. To satisfy children's hobbies and stimulate more creativity, in 2016, I asked for leave from my job to DIY electronics with my son. Along the way, there are many negative comments to me. For convenience to cut, we made a DIY cutter using waste wood. It works well, and I started to become a family DIY maker. Children are also deeply fall in love with DIY FPV drone. Build FPV is a freestyle. DIY drones can inspire children's creativity. What you need is a mini soldering iron. Everything will be easy after you take the first step. Even THO don't have DIY drone kit, don't have DIY drone landing pad and FPV transmitter. We can still build a drone. Do you think my choice is right? If you are agreed with me, give me a thumbs up please. If you are not agreed with me, post your opinion in the comments.